So there's still no official release date for Oppo's next foldable, the Find N5, or its global twin, the OnePlus Open 2. But that hasn't stopped this Oppo exec from dropping hints online. Recently, Oppo confirmed that the Find N5 will come with top-tier water resistance and a chassis that's about half as thick as the iPhone 16 Pro. Pretty impressive, right? But now, we've got even more details. He just showed off the Find N5 with wireless charging, something the previous Find N3 and OnePlus Open completely skipped. And those two only supported 67-watt wired charging, which could juice up the battery in under 45 minutes. But the lack of wireless charging felt like a weird omission, especially when most foldables these days have it. This time around, the Find N5 is set to support 50-watt wireless charging and even reverse wireless charging. That puts it right up there with heavyweights like the Honor Magic V3 and Huawei Mate X6, both known for their fast wireless speeds. On top of that, the Find N5 will also pack 80-watt wired charging, as confirmed by recent 3C certification documents. And here's something interesting. Those same documents hint at an optional variant with satellite connectivity. Oppo had to go through extra regulatory steps to get it approved, but it's still unclear if the OnePlus Open 2 will offer the same feature worldwide. Under the hood, the Find N5 has popped up on Geekbench, rocking Qualcomm's SM87503 AB chipset. This is a new but slightly toned-down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Oppo has now confirmed it on Weibo, emphasizing that it's the first foldable to feature this new generation chip. Even though the Snapdragon 8 Elite variant has one less performance core compared to the original, which had 2 prime cores and 6 performance cores, Qualcomm claims it still brings noticeable performance improvements over the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This could help Oppo offer the Find N5 at a more competitive price, without compromising too much on power. So, what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make the Find N5, or the OnePlus Open 2, a serious contender in the foldable space? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Peace.